town
Yeah.
for today. How's it been for you?
It's nice, man. First of all, it's a beautiful day in a beautiful part of Jamaica, in the hills of North Clarendon. And although the forecast had said some rain and cold front, we're not seeing that yet. And it's a lively and cheerful place. People are happy. We're seeing the JLP supporters. They've been well behaved. Our supporters have been well behaved. And everybody's living good and enjoying the day. And we're doing well, so I'm happy.
Okay. And at the end of the day?
Well, we'll see what happens, but I'm confident. And we put in the work, you know. I've been here a lot in the last 2 weeks and in St. Thomas on the days I'm not here. So, you know, we'll put in the work and we'll see if we get the reward. But I'm confident.
So looking for a victory across all the divisions.
Yeah. So we know we're contesting two, the local government by-elections. We took a decision not to do any constituency by-elections in an election year. So we stuck to that. But the local government by-elections we're contesting because the next local government elections are not till 2028. So we want to ensure that people have a chance to elect a candidate of their choice.
And do you believe that the government will stay the course in terms of waiting until the appropriate time to call the general election?
Listen, every day I hear a different theory on that issue. I'm not focused on them. I'm focused on what we need to do. And we're doing what we need to do so that whenever they call it, it will be ours.
All right. Based on your observation touring the area over the past 2 weeks, what have you noticed? What do you think needs to be?
Well, the main issue that I've noticed here is the quality of the roads. It's terrible. The road network is very, very bad. And I think that is something which the next PNP government would have to focus on. Interior roads and scheme roads, the roads where people drive every day in their daily life. Jamaica spent hundreds of millions of US, thousands of millions, billions of US on highways in the last 4 decades. And it's good. I mean, it has made the economy more efficient. It's made movement across the island easier. But it's been to some extent at the expense of the interior road network, which hasn't had the attention it needs. And I think that is now time come for that. People are looking forward to that.